For many freelancers, consultants, and service-based businesses, a project is the fundamental unit of work. It's where the services are delivered, the time is tracked, and ultimately the income is generated. While FreshBooks is widely known for its exceptional invoicing and expense tracking capabilities, its project management features are equally powerful, serving as the bedrock for accurately billing clients and understanding your profitability. As an accounting software expert, I often guide professionals through setting up their systems for maximum efficiency. One of the most common questions I get asked is, how do I add a project to FreshBooks? It's a fundamental step that unlocks a whole suite of features designed to streamline your workflow. Let's break down the process in simple, easy-to-follow steps. Why projects in FreshBooks matter. Before we dive into the how, let's quickly touch on the why. Adding projects to FreshBooks isn't just about organizing your work. It's about accurate time tracking. Assigning time entries directly to a project ensures you're billing clients correctly for hours spent. Expense allocation. Linking expenses to a specific project means you can easily pass on billable costs to your client or track non-billable project expenditures. Profitability analysis. By centralizing all income, invoices, and direct costs, expenses, billable hours, related to a project, you can see how profitable each project truly is. Client collaboration. As we discussed in a previous article, FreshBooks projects can be linked to the client portal, allowing clients to see progress and share files. Better reporting. Project-level reporting gives you insights into which types of projects are most lucrative or time-consuming. Step-by-step, adding a project in FreshBooks. Let's get down to the practical steps of setting up a project in FreshBooks. The interface is intuitive, designed to be user-friendly even for those new to accounting software. Log in to your FreshBooks account. This is the obvious first step. Head to your FreshBooks login page and enter your credentials. Navigate to the Projects section. Once logged in, look for the main navigation menu on the left-hand side of your dashboard. You'll typically see options like Invoices, Expenses, Clients, and Reports. Find and click on Projects. Initiate a new project. On the Projects dashboard, you'll usually see a prominent button that says something like Plus New Project or just a large plus icon. Click this to begin creating your new project. Enter basic project details. A new screen will pop up, asking for essential project information. This is where you lay the groundwork. Project name. Give your project a clear, descriptive name. This could be Website Redesign Acme Corp., Social Media Strategy Bright Ideas Incorporated, or Consulting Services Q3 2025. Client. This is crucial. You'll need to link the project to an existing client in your FreshBooks contacts. Start typing the client's name, and FreshBooks will auto-suggest from your client list. If the client isn't already in your system, you'll have the option to add them on the fly. Billing method, crucial decision. This is where you define how you'll charge for the project. FreshBooks offers several options. Hourly, billable you track time, and FreshBooks automatically adds those hours to an invoice. This is perfect for time and materials projects. Flat rate. You agree on a fixed price for the entire project, regardless of the hours spent. Ideal for fixed bid contracts. Non-billable. You're tracking time and expenses for internal use or for a client where you won't directly bill for these hours, e.g., pro bono work, initial consultations. Project service/rate. If you offer specific services at a set hourly rate, you can define those here. This ties into your items and services list. Team members, optional but recommended if you have team members working on this project and they have FreshBooks user access. You can add them here. This allows them to track their time and expenses against this specific project. Project managers, optional assign a project manager if needed. Set project rates, if hourly if you selected hourly billable. As your billing method, you'll then specify the hourly rate for this project. You can choose project rate, a single hourly rate for all time tracked on this project. Team member rates, different hourly rates for individual team members working on the project. Service rates, if you've set up different services with unique rates, e.g., graphic design at $75 per hour, copywriting at $60 per hour. You can apply those here. Add services, optional if you offer specific services that contribute to this project. You can link them here. This helps categorize your work and can streamline invoicing later. For example, a website project might include services like discovery, design, and development. Add an estimate, optional if you've already created an estimate for this project in FreshBooks. You can link it now. This ties the initial proposal directly to the ongoing work. Set project start and end dates, optional but good practice while not strictly necessary for basic functionality. Setting expected start and end dates helps with planning and forecasting.